Welcome to today's lesson. In this video, you will learn useful American English words and phrases people use during Christmas time. These expressions are common in conversations, shopping, travel, and family gatherings throughout the holiday season. Whether you celebrate Christmas or simply want to understand the language people use at this time of year, this lesson will help you communicate naturally and confidently. Take your time, listen carefully, and repeat the phrases out loud when you can. Let's begin with some of the most common Christmas vocabulary. These words appear everywhere in December, so becoming familiar with them will make conversations easier. The first word is holiday season. Americans use this phrase to describe the entire period from late November through early January. You may hear someone say, "I love the holiday season," or "The holiday season is always so busy." It does not refer only to Christmas, but to the entire festive time of year. Next is the word Christmas Eve. This refers to the night before Christmas Day on December 24th. Many families gather on Christmas Eve, eat dinner together, attend church services, or exchange a few gifts. You might hear someone say, "We open one present on Christmas Eve," or "I spend Christmas Eve with my parents." It is an important part of the celebration. Then we have Christmas Day, which is December 25th. This is the main holiday when people exchange gifts, eat a special meal, and enjoy time with loved ones. People may say, "What are your plans for Christmas Day?" or "We're hosting Christmas at our house this year." Another common word is tradition. A tradition is something people do every year. You may hear, "Our family tradition is to bake cookies," or "It's a tradition to decorate the Christmas tree together." Americans use this word often during this season. Now let's look at phrases that people use when talking about decorations. One of the most common expressions is "put up the tree." This means to place and decorate the Christmas tree. Someone might say, "When are you putting up the tree?" or "We put up the tree right after Thanksgiving." Another helpful phrase is "string the lights." This means to hang lights on the house, on the tree, or around a room. People may say, "We spent all afternoon stringing lights," or "I still need to string the lights outside." You will also hear the word ornaments, which refers to the decorations you hang on a Christmas tree. Someone might say, "These ornaments are from my childhood," or "We bought new ornaments this year." Americans often collect ornaments over time. A few more words related to decorations include wreath, which is a round decoration hung on doors, stockings, which are long socks hung near the fireplace, and garland, which is a long piece of greenery used to decorate mantels, tables, and railings. These words appear frequently in holiday conversations. Now let's move on to vocabulary connected to giving and receiving gifts. The first phrase is Secret Santa. This is a game in which a group of people randomly choose someone to give a gift to, but the giver's identity remains a secret until the gift is opened. You might hear, "We're doing a Secret Santa at work," or "My Secret Santa gave me a funny gift." Another phrase is stocking stuffers. These are small, inexpensive gifts placed inside Christmas stockings. People may say, "I still need to buy stocking stuffers," or "Candy is a popular stocking stuffer." When talking about buying gifts, Americans often say, "I need to finish my Christmas shopping." This expression means they still need to buy presents for friends or family. Someone might also say, "I'm almost done with my shopping," or "Have you started your Christmas shopping yet?" Another useful phrase is wrap the presents. Wrapping presents means covering gifts with colorful paper, tape, and bows. You may hear someone say, "I still need to wrap the presents tonight," or "Wrapping gifts always takes longer than I expect." When giving a gift, people often say, "This is for you. I hope you like it," or "Merry Christmas." When receiving a gift, you can say, "Thank you so much. This is wonderful," or "You didn't have to get me anything." These polite responses are normal in American culture. Let's now discuss phrases people use when making holiday plans. A very common question is, "What are you doing for the holidays?" This is a polite way to ask about someone's Christmas plans, without assuming they celebrate the holiday. You can reply, "I'm spending Christmas with my family," or "We're traveling this year." Another useful expression is holiday dinner. This refers to a special meal served during Christmas. Someone might say, "We're hosting holiday dinner at our house," or "What are you making for Christmas dinner?" Food is an important part of the celebration, so this phrase appears often. People also use the word gathering to describe a small party or get-together. You may hear, "We're having a small holiday gathering," or "Are you going to the Christmas gathering on Friday?" If someone is traveling, they might say, "I'm flying home for Christmas," or "We're driving to visit relatives." These phrases help describe movement during the holiday season. Now let's move to phrases used in holiday greetings. The most traditional greeting is Merry Christmas. This is common in cards, decorations, and conversations. You can say Merry Christmas to friends, family, co-workers, or neighbors. Another phrase you will hear is Happy Holidays. This is a more general greeting that includes Christmas, New Year's, and other celebrations. It is polite and widely used, especially in professional settings. For example, someone might say, "Happy Holidays to you and your family," or "Wishing you a joyful holiday season." People also say, "Season's greetings." This is a formal phrase often used on holiday cards or signs. It is less common in everyday conversation, but still widely recognized. You may also hear, "Stay warm," "Enjoy the holidays," or "Hope you have a wonderful Christmas." These friendly expressions show care and kindness during the season. Now let's look at some conversational phrases you will hear in December. One common question is, "Are you ready for Christmas?" This means, have you finished your shopping, decorating, or planning? You can answer, "Yes, I'm ready," or "Not yet, I still have a lot to do." Another frequent question is, "Did you have a good Christmas?" People ask this after the holiday is over. You can reply, "Yes, it was great," or "It was very relaxing," or "We had a wonderful time." People also talk about the weather during the Christmas season. You may hear, "It feels like Christmas," meaning the weather is cold or snowy. Someone might say, "We're hoping for a white Christmas," which means snow on Christmas Day. Americans also talk about Christmas movies, music, and traditions. You might hear, "Have you watched any Christmas movies yet?" Or "Do you like Christmas music?" These are easy conversation starters in December. Now let's learn some phrases connected to food. Common holiday dishes include ham, turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing, cranberry sauce, cookies, and pies. Someone might say, "We're baking Christmas cookies tonight," or "I love holiday desserts." If you are invited to someone's home, you may hear, "Can you bring a dish?" This means the host would like you to bring food to share. You can respond, "Sure, I can bring something," or "What would you like me to bring?" Another helpful phrase is leftovers, which means remaining food after a meal. People often eat leftovers the day after Christmas. Someone might say, "We have so many leftovers," or "Would you like to take home some leftovers?" Now let's review helpful phrases to describe feelings during Christmas time. People might say, "I'm excited for Christmas," "I'm feeling festive," or "This season always makes me happy." You may also hear, "Things are hectic," or "The holidays are stressful," because December is a very busy month for many people. If you want to express appreciation, you can say, "Thank you for the thoughtful gift," or "I appreciate you," or "I'm grateful for this holiday season." These phrases show kindness and gratitude. Let's also talk about phrases used in shopping situations because many people buy gifts during December. At stores, you may hear, "Are you looking for anything special?" or "Can I help you find a gift?" Cashiers may say, "Would you like a gift receipt?" This special receipt allows the person receiving the gift to return or exchange it without seeing the price. You may also hear, "Would you like this gift wrapped?" Some stores offer free gift wrapping. You can answer, "Yes, please," or "No, thank you." Another helpful phrase is holiday discount, which means a special price offered during the Christmas season. You might hear, "We're offering a holiday discount today," or "These items are on sale for Christmas." If you are shopping online, you may see phrases like "Order by December 20th for Christmas delivery." This tells you the last day to buy something if you want it to arrive by Christmas. Now let's learn some polite and friendly expressions you can use during Christmas gatherings. You can say, "It's great to see you," "Thanks for having me," or "Your home looks beautiful." When leaving a gathering, you can say, "Thank you for the wonderful evening," or "Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays." Before we finish the lesson, let's review some of the key words and phrases you learned today. Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, holiday season, tradition, put up the tree, string the lights, ornaments, wreath, stockings, garland, secret Santa, stocking stuffers, Christmas shopping, wrap the presents, holiday dinner, gathering, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, season's greetings. Are you ready for Christmas? Did you have a good Christmas? White Christmas, leftovers, holiday discount, gift receipt, bring a dish, thoughtful gift. These words and expressions will help you speak naturally and confidently during the Christmas season in the United States. The more you practice them, the more comfortable you will feel in conversations, stores, gatherings, and everyday interactions. Thank you for learning with me today. Repeat the phrases out loud to help your memory, and feel free to watch this lesson again anytime during the holiday season. I wish you a wonderful Christmas and a joyful holiday. See you in the next lesson.